Hi everyone, it's Chloe here with our latest virtual picture news. This week we're talking about a national treasure. That's someone who is loved and admired by many people in the UK. Can you guess who it might be? Let's take a look at this week's picture for some more clues. What can you see? Do you recognise anything? Is there anything that stands out to you? Use the clues in the picture and your own ideas to make a prediction about what could be happening in the news this week. Let's head over to Claudia in the newsroom to find out more about this week's story.
Hello and welcome to this week's Picture News story. Sir David Attenborough, a famous naturalist and broadcaster, is celebrating his 100th birthday. For over 70 years, he has created and presented programmes that help people understand animals, nature and the planet. His work has inspired millions of people to learn more about the world and take care of it. Many people are celebrating his life and the difference that he has made. That's all from me. Back to you, Chloe.
Thanks, Claudia. Goodness, what a special birthday. Did you know in the UK, people who turn 100 years old can receive a special birthday card from the King? I wonder if Sir David has received his yet. Let's think. How does this week's story make you feel? Perhaps you're thankful to Sir David Attenborough for sharing his knowledge and adventures with others. Or you might feel proud of him for working to make a positive change in the world. Whatever you're feeling, now could be a good time to pause and share your thoughts with the people around you. Let's look at this week's big question. Why do some people become so important to the world? Let's find out more about Sir David Attenborough. Sir David Attenborough aims to help people understand how the planet works, showing the beauty of nature and explaining why it's so important to protect the environment. Look at this picture. It's a graphic designed to commemorate Sir David's special birthday. What can you spot in the image? And what do you think makes this such a lovely picture for his birthday? Sir David has made nature programmes for over 70 years, creating famous series like Planet Earth and Blue Planet. Did you know he's travelled to every continent and has filmed some of the rarest animals on the planet? Sir David encourages us all to take care of our planet and believes that even small actions can make a big difference. Are there any other people who have taught you a lot about the world and our impact on it? Who are they? Do you think that people need to be famous to make a difference? Can you think of something that's very important to you that you would like to tell the world about? have one last look at this week's picture and big question. Take a moment to share any final thoughts together. Reflection. Understanding the world around us can help us take better care of it. Sometimes one person's work can inspire millions of others to learn, care, and make a difference. This week's fun fact. Did you know some animals and plants have even been named after Sir David Attenborough because of the huge difference he has made in helping people to understand nature? This includes an ancient sea reptile called an Attenboroughsaurus. How cool! I hope you enjoyed this week's Virtual Picture News. Don't forget to subscribe to our Picture News YouTube channel for more videos all about learning from the world around us. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!